Hey guys, I want to show you a cool little device I picked up. I'm pretty sure most of you know about this. And I did too, but it was on sale for 65 bucks. It's went up to now it's went up to about 79 bucks at Micro Center and everywhere else. But I mean, it's pretty cool. You can basically set this thing up to have customized buttons and macros. As y'all guys probably figured out, right? I mapped my favorite programs here: MPC, RipX. You know what I mean? OBS, blah, blah, blah. All right, so let's say, for example, I wanted to open MPC, right? I just press the button here, and there you go. Or say RipX, right? I press the RipX button. Or say RipX. I'll press the RipX button here. And it'll open RipX. It's pretty cool. I mean, it does a lot more than just like opening things. You can just set up a lot of customized functionality, things that you have to press a whole bunch of buttons. You don't have to do that. This makes your life a lot easier. And it comes with this app that basically you can use to basically set things up. It's pretty easy. It comes with some apps already preloaded, like Twitch, OBS, or whatever system is. This is where you would basically assign those hot functions for your favorite apps, like Ableton, MPC, and everything else like that. It's pretty cool.